We're here at the PPMA show, the NEC. My name's Chris Heines, I'm from Schneider Electric. We're showcasing this year the technology which is really fueling the machines, the smart machines, the next generation of smart machines for the future. So we're showing things like flexible automation and robotics, our cloud-based software solutions, and also our safety and motion solutions as well. So what we're showing here as an example is a typical pick and place line with 3 robot cells with load sharing between them. This is taking random objects that's coming down the production line and picking and placing them at a fast speed. So for high speed applications that are faster than a single robot cell can cope with, we can have the load balancing system automatically managing that with the 3 Delta robots you see here. The kind of system that we're using gives maximum flexibility, it gives high performance, and it helps you to optimize the production process. Alongside that, what we're also launching at this show this year is our Machine Advisor software. Now, this allows machine builders to manage their entire install base wherever it's installed across the world using cloud-based solutions. With the cloud-based solutions, they can monitor, they can track, they can document, and they can optimize machine performance using simple subscription-based type services. So for the first machines, it's free of charge. They simply log on, register, collect data from their machine via the cloud, and track that through the system. This is going to allow machine builders and end users to develop completely new relationships and business models for the future. So instead of, for example, buying machines, end users could be leasing or even paying per use. That kind of system allows the machine builders to manage that whole relationship a lot more effectively. And then on the left-hand side here, we're seeing cloud-based solutions which are helping us to manage and optimize the whole production process. So that really is taking a huge amount of data that we're getting from our smart devices now and allowing us to analyze that, manage that at the cloud level and distribute that information right throughout the enterprise, whether it's local or whether it's in spread across different countries. I think in terms of what we recommend end users to do in the future in order to implement Industry 4.0 is really around creating a vision. Looking forward more than just 12 months, but 3-4 years and trying to predict what that is going to look like and building a strategy behind that. Beyond that, it's round about creating collaborative partnerships, building an eco-structure in order to create the Industry 4.0 vision of the future, because no one supplier can do everything. So it's really about picking the right open technologies and picking the right partners to help do that. And then start small, start with a pilot project, prove it and prove the return on investment before you go big scale. I think in terms of where we see Industry 4.0 currently is the adoption of it isn't quick enough. If you compare UK manufacturing with our G7 or G8 partners, we're behind the curve. We've got some catching up to do. The good side of that is we've got most to gain. And if you look at some of the research that's been done in that areas, you're looking at productivity potential growth of up to 20+%. So there's big opportunities there, but the pace of change needs to speed up. We've got obviously uncertainty with Brexit, but that uncertainty brings opportunities as well. So we see some big opportunities for Industry 4.0 and the adoption of automation technologies in the future.